Whenever you're ready, I guess.
Do you want to scroll or?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
You want to scroll down?
Since you're
Sorry, what?
since you're the last one.
Oh, that's fine. Wait,
I mean,
this one. Okay. Sonuçta ismi kaynağı çıkacak.
All right.
Can you move over here? We are going to start proposal.
So we decided to build a smart surveillance
What's your team
motion
name?
sensor.
T1.
Team one. Yeah. And then I'm Daniel, Anthony, Abbas, Ali. Alright, and then for this project, we're going to be using Raspberry Pi, a motion sensor, camera, and a Bluetooth sensor in order to build a smart surveillance system for anyone who wants
First,
to.
introduce your project after that. What's the project about it?
It's gonna be like a security system where it senses motion and then it'll take a recording or like a video whenever the motion sensor goes off. For example, like package thieves, you can put it on your porch and it'll like I don't know, record a video whenever it senses anyone moving past you. And then it's gonna send that alert to cloud and send the video to like
This is the
an
project
email.
that we'll be doing in next class.
Oh really?
It's an ICP, it's not a
Oh.
project.
We haven't checked the ITV before.
Oh, well, we didn't check the ICP.
We actually just looked online.
Because
Come up with that.
even we are doing more than that.
Oh.
If it senses someone that is already stored in database, it's going to open the door. So you have to make it a bit complex. It's very simple.
Okay.
If you need the motion sensor, I have that. I have camera. What else is used?
Just a that's just a Bluetooth and then the built-in
Oh.
Wi-Fi.
Here is, I think the composition, right?
What do you guys think? What should we add to this project? Increase the complexity of the project.
Can I go and speak? So basically trying to make us like have more smart, more future. Like if it's someone come closer to the camera, take a picture or record a video and send direct to your phone or which cloud we decided.
Well, they're just trying to tell us what to add.
So what?
They're just trying to help us, like add more to it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain to him.
So, what technology you will be using
Oh, that's you.
for that?
Right now, just Raspberry
Detection
Pi.
of a motion or taking a picture or identifying a person. What you will be using? You're too late.
Oh, I think that's my part here, which is this one.
Don't think we tried that.
Oh. So we're trying to use PIR motion detector and camera, and maybe we.
Yeah, I know about PIR, but what's camera going to do?
Oh, to take a picture or record the video.
Pictures on
It's
video.
not identifying anything, any detection or anything.
Oh, actually, it's not recorded all the time, just when there is a motion.
Yeah, I'm just talking about that. Like, let's say, take a scenario. It's recording a video or taking a picture and sending it to the owner of the house. What does it tell?
We haven't decided yet.
We basically come up with the increasing the safety for people. Like for example, if somebody has the battery at his door, so that the detection will detect any person in that door, and start taking pictures and recording videos and send it out via email for this person.
Why not through the app?
We're gonna use the
We're gonna be using Node-RED for that, and
Yeah.
Node-RED.
So what? Okay. So let's say, for instance, I forgot my keys in my house because I trust my security system. I forgot my keys in my house and now I'm approaching my house. And I'm in front of my house and it's not opening the door. So what type of security system it will be?
Oh, our project was surveillance camera, not like a smart like to open the door or control your
We
home.
want a smart system.
Oh, he meant smart surveillance camera.
We don't want an ugly system. So what I suggest is to include a machine learning in it. OpenCV, which we'll be doing in next class anyway. You will have a good idea of that. If you want to go with this project, all I want to have in this project is machine learning, which is going to detect the owner. For example, open the door. Just use the switch. Don't use a proper door. Just use the switch. Like automatically it opens the door when the owner is in front. Okay, because in the database it will have the owner picture. So it will have the image recognition thing. The second thing, if for example Ali visited my house for the first time, it should send me the picture and I should label the picture as Ali. Right? And the next time when he comes to my house and again a motion is detected, I'll get a text message, Ali is at your house, rather than sending the picture or video to me again. And it should also detect some weapons.
Wait.
For example, Ali is visiting me for the third time and he has knife in his hand. So it should detect there is a change of personality now. This is the only way I'm going to accept this project.
That's me. We have to do that.
Image recognition, I'll be doing it in the next two ICTs for
okay.
machine learning. But the extra thing that you're going to include is detection of a weapon, the first thing. And the second thing you're going to do is the person who is visiting for the second time, I don't need his picture or video to be sent to me. It can send to the database, it's fine. But I don't need his picture to be sent to me again and again. If a person is visiting me for 10 times, I don't require that data. I just need a text message, Ali is at your door at this time. Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
So, I would be happy to know a person is at the door, but I'd be more happy to know who is that person, rather than going to the picture and watching the video and everything, the scenario and everything. I'll be happy to see who is at the door. There are a lot more functions that you can add. You can even add a voice recognition to it. I have a mic, I can give it to you if you want, but I don't know. I think you don't want that.
Are we gonna have any ICPs over that? Or?
No, not over
Okay.
that. That's why I'm suggesting some extra things. Because this security thing that you're talking about, I just told you, don't take everything from one project. Mix up the project. It's just one project that is available. I need a mixture of different projects.
Okay, so just to make sure, you ask us to do a face recognition. What else? Weapon detector. Okay.
Weapon detector.
What and what?
Then send it to like
Oh,
a
you know.
text message or.
That's optional. Allah. Okay.
It's not optional, it's mandatory.
So. Okay. No, when I said optional, we meant like you receive a text message or email. That's what I said. It's optional how to receive the alert.
What I'm talking about is, for example, let's take me visiting at your house.
I got your idea actually.
Right? I'm coming for the first time, emotion is detected, you get my picture.
You label
The
it.
second time, I'm visiting again, emotion is detected, the system take my picture, but it sends a text message to the owner. rather than a picture. The picture can be saved in the database, but it sends the text message to the owner, Sayyid is at your house again. So it should have a name labels with every person. If the person's picture is in the database already, it just sends the text message. If he's not in the database, he should be saved in the database. So make a scenario something like that.
Okay.
It should be a bit different from the internet.
Okay.
And
Sounds
one
good.
important thing for the project is fair distribution of tasks. Don't say we all are working on this. So there are components, app, detection, hardware, and let's say coding or something else. Fair distribution, because if you tell me on the final day like I worked on the MIT app, I'm going to ask you all questions about MIT app from you. I'm going to listen the overall idea from the whole group, but then the distribution which you mentioned, I'm going to ask in that domain from you. Because I'm not going to tell you if you worked on the app, I'm not going to ask how the image recognition worked. No. You have to answer your own domains because you will get different marks. Got it? Team 2.
Sounds good.
Who is team 2?